the shortage of funds for the police and the prosecution departments has led to massive corruption, has led as these departments and their officers shift the onus, spellingly ONUS, ons of the cost of investigation and prosecution to the complainants or defendants. Full stop. There are reports that the situation is much more disturbing in the Punjab police, whose investigating officers force the complainants or criminals to bear the expenses of investigation into a murder case, regarding from 50,000 to 80, due to non-provision of funds by the department, full stop. Similarly, no funds are being issued under the same head to the IO in the thousands of other cases lodged under other offences, including robberies, theft, physical and firing, fraud, full stop. The demand of the cost of investigation for the outgoing years from the police department was 9 billion, but the government released only to 10 million of it, which means the public bore the whole cost of investigation into cases and the police officials got it from the complainants or defendants through corrupt means, full stop. In the prosecution department too, there are complaints that the officers force the IO of the police and other government departments, including forest, livestock, drug, agriculture, etc., to pay them money for completion of investigation reports, full stop. Paragraph an official, said the situation says around 1.1 million cases were registered with the Punjab police, 72 police stations during 2023, while over 30,000 cases are registered annually by the other government departments, which put enormous ENORMOUS burden on the prosecution department to prepare challenges, collect evidence and forward them to the relevant courts, full stop. About the Punjab police, he says, the department had demanded from the government 9 billion last year for the cost of investigation, full stop. On the other hand, the Punjab prosecution department has, for the first time moved summary seeking 1 billion to meet the cost of prosecution, full stop. There were 683 police stations in 2011 Punjab, and the number increased to 720 in 2020, marking an increase of 5% in the number of police stations in the province, full stop. This number later increased to 724. Two officials says that as the cases lodged by the police stations increased accordingly, which left an impact on cost of investigation for the provincial police that increased 9 billion, full stop. The Punjab police had demanded 9 billion in 2022-23 under the head of cost of investigation, full stop. Unfortunately, comma, the official says the Punjab government turned down its request and released only 2.7 million against the required amount, and the police department declared it insufficient to stop corruption prevailing at the police station level, full stop. The police high-ups were left extremely dissatisfied when the Punjab government released only 210 million for the cost of investigation for 2023-24 against the demand